Introducing the Evogen No-Touch high-capacity toilet seat cover dispenser, the first hands-free toilet seat cover dispenser, now even better. Increased capacity translates into cost savings with less service time required to maintain. Mounting the device. Open the dispenser with the key provided. Place open dispenser against wall and mark the location of 4 screw holes. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit in the mounting hardware to attach device to the wall. Installing the batteries. Install 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment. We recommend Duracell alkaline batteries or other name brand equivalent. Loading the product. Open the dispenser. Insert the Evogen toilet seat cover refill onto the pegs inside the dispenser with the printed front facing you. For maximum capacity, load up to 2 refill packs. Tuck paper behind the silver plate by pressing in on the plate. Close and lock the dispenser. Operation. Hold hand in front of sensor to dispense a single toilet seat cover. Gently pull toilet seat cover down and place onto the toilet seat. The ready-to-use, no-tear premium paper provides a quick sanitary solution. The auto flush tongue flushes seat cover down with the water after use. Maintenance. When you see a flashing red light on the front of the dispenser, this indicates the dispenser is empty and needs to be refilled. Remove the empty package and discard in a safe manner. If one package is partially empty, move package to the front position with the full refill added to the back. This will use the partially empty package first. While the dispenser is open, check the power indicator light that is left of the battery compartment. Green indicates full power, orange indicates half power, red indicates low power and needs to be replaced. Replace batteries if necessary. Make restrooms more hygienic and prevent the spread of germs with no-touch dispensers by Hospeco Brands Group.